All right, let's get started. So we are going to learn how to download, install, and log in to Adobe Creative Cloud. This is free for all Elk Island staff and students. It has your Photoshop, your Illustrator, your Premiere Pro, but it also has the basics like PDF Reader and PDF Editor. So useful for any of our staff and students. So here we go. So we're going to start, and we go to creativecloud.adobe.com/c/en#. Okay, make sure we're going there. That is the big website that you want to go to, and you're going to click sign in. So sign in will come up on your screen just like this. And what you're looking for is you want to sign in with your Google account. So sign in with your Google account will allow you to use the Elk Island name and such. So on mine already automatically logged in. You're going to use your school email. And let's see if I can get this to log out so I can show you what you need to do. So since I'm already logged into my Chrome browser, it is logging me in automatically because I'm signed into Chrome. So if you sign into Chrome, it will be much easier. Sign in with Google. Signs you into this page here. Then you want to download the Creative Cloud app, and you want to download everything. If you just want to download, just press Acrobat and you're good to go. If you're going to be using any of these Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign tools, you want to download your Creative Cloud. So yes, it's going to say IT network. Some things we don't have, some things we do. But you can see that I have an executable file down there at the bottom. We're going to open that. I want it to allow to make changes on my computer. We're going to continue. We are all set. All right, it's installing already. So if you don't have this ready to install, let's say that it's asking you to log in, you want to make sure you're clicking the Enterprise Login. Okay, so this is quite a large file. It's going to take a little bit of time. When you're logging in, again, stressing that you need to click the Enterprise Login because we are an enterprise at Elk Island Public Schools. Enterprise login with your school email and your school username. It will log in, it will download everything, and we're just going to wait for this to quickly download and make sure everything is good to go. This computer did not have Cloud yet. I had to find one computer in my household that does not have Creative Cloud, and this was the one, so we'll see how fast it does. So this is a good step, especially in the next coming weeks. I'm going to start running some tutorials on Illustrator and Photoshop. I will let everyone know a day or two ahead of time what my schedule is, so you can have that downloaded, whether it's Photoshop, whether it's Illustrator, whether it's Premiere Pro, whether it's InDesign. Depending on the day, I'll make sure you guys know what I'm doing before I run the event, just so you have it downloaded, just in case your internet is not as speedy as mine, because it's downloading pretty quick here. So it's about 2 to 4 minutes left. Oh, we're stopping at 55%. There we go. If you're downloading just Adobe Acrobat, it will be a lot faster because it's only one file rather than a whole file manager system here. This 50% is really slowing us down. We zoomed right up to 50%, and we're taking a while to get through it. let's go back to the apps just to see what we have here. Oh, it's not going to show me anything now. All right, so these are the apps that we have access to. There is some on here that allow us to also use it on our phones. So if you download any of the Adobe products and it asks you for a login, you can use your Elk Island login to go on to those mobile applications. So for example, they have Premiere Rush, which is their mobile video editor. They have a version for photo editing. So they do have Lightroom. So these little applications here in the corner, this means it's a desktop app as well as a mobile application, where Illustrator is only a mobile app or a desktop application. You can see all of the ones that are both mobile and desktop. Let's check on our download here. We're at 80%. So the ones I use most is I use Illustrator and Photoshop and InDesign. I have not taught myself Lightroom. I'm starting to teach myself Premiere Pro. There's tons of tutorials on YouTube and anywhere else that walk you through so many of these things because they're all pretty standardized. All right, we got less than 1 minute left. $2%. And oh, there we go. All right, so we're installed now. It's logging me in or bringing me up my desktop here. And from here, you can go through what's new. They always update you. This is your manager here. So when you're at your desktop, you can install ones. I like having the Creative Cloud downloaded just instead of individual apps because I can open Creative Cloud and navigate from there, but I can also see what needs to be updated and what doesn't need to be updated. And I can push installs from my computer. So if I'm going to install Illustrator here, let's see how long that one's going to take. And as it works, we're going to go through the app. So you can go to the mobile things and it shows you everything that you have on just mobile. So the Photoshop Express is great. You can easily Photoshop any of your photos on your phone. The Illustrator Draw is their replacement for Illustrator on your phone because Illustrator is such a big program that they won't be able to do everything on a mobile device. But you can still make vector art with the Illustrator Draw. Spark is what I use great for Instagram and backgrounds. Lets you put it all together, line it up, really great. Behance is their online portfolio system. So if you make anything with their Adobe products, you can always publish it to Behance and everyone can see it. Adobe Reader, what you use to view PowerPoints and things like that. PDFs. You use PDFs and you can edit your PDFs with the enterprise version that we have. So if you need to add text boxes in or just text or sign with the signature, add or remove pages, that's all done with Reader because we have this fill and sign feature. And again, this is on your phone as well if you need to. And then there's some web applications. So our web applications are stock photos, some stock photos, your fonts, colors, things like that. Let's see how our Illustrator is. We're halfway there. Over here we have our categories. You can kind of go, if you know that you want to edit some kind of video, if you click on it, it's going to show you all of the applications that they have to edit video or things you would do in a video. So your character animator is more of an animation, where the Premiere Pro is more of your editing. After Effects is graphic effects, animate, things like that. Audition is the audio editing system that goes with their videos. Since we have Creative Cloud, you save it to your Creative Cloud and you'll be able to access it from any application as long as you have that linked up. We have illustration. Again, Illustrator is my go-to. It's not compatible. We don't have Fresco, which is fine. Photoshop here, 3D. We have attention, not I do not know how. That's another thing later. Yeah. There's some beta here if you want to try any of the beta applications. They can sometimes be glitchy. That is why they are beta. All right, our Illustrator is done. I'm going to open Illustrator and it opens great. It's not going to ask us for a login as long as we are logged in up here. Let's see if I can sign out here just so I can show you what the enterprise looks like. So you can see that it only limits you, it does limit you to 3 devices. So you can see that I'm logged onto my laptop and I'm logged onto my computer upstairs and not this device. So I'm going to sign out of my laptop and I'm going to sign in with this device. It works. We're going to go with Google and it's going to take you to your Google login or ask you to sign with your enterprise. Again, make sure you're signing with your enterprise. And that is how you download and install Creative Cloud. And once it's in, you can open any of those applications and